I'd like you to start with deep breathing. Deep, focused breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Now exhale slowly through your mouth on a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the energy around you as you center yourself in this present moment. Again, breathe deeply through your nose on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Focus on your body. Focus on what you feel in your body. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand the grip sugar has on you. I want you to visualize the grip sugar has on your life, envisioning how it stealthily becomes part of your daily habits. Its effects on your body. Imagine the adverse effects of sugar on your body. You need to remember these so that you don't forget them. See the inflammation. Literally visualize the joint pain and the extra weight that it brings to your life. Visualize the emotional dependence. Moments where sugar becomes a crutch supporting you in times of emotional distress. But understand that it's a false comfort. I want you to see these times. You're seeing them, you're visualizing them, so you do not forget them. Energy fluctuations. Witness the energy highs and lows as you consume sugar, feeling the fatigue and tiredness it brings post the short-lived rush. You must remember, you must deeply feel the things that I'm experiencing with you, that I'm describing to you. Now, visualize letting go. Visualize yourself breaking free of these bonds, one by one, letting go of the vicious cycle and releasing the grip sugar has on you. Again, let's get focused on our breath as we transition into visualizing what's next for you. Now, again, a couple of deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now focus your breath in that exact pattern as we visualize a bridge, a transition from a life bound by sugar to one of freedom and vitality. As you cross this bridge, imagine shedding all of the negative effects sugar has on you, leaving them behind. Now visualize a beautiful life after letting go of sugar. You must, and I repeat, must, enjoy the feelings of actually being there. See it, experience it, feel it in your body. Get out of your mind, get out of your brain. Feel these descriptions in your body. Keep your breath steady as we have with the 4 and 6 unconsciously. Now, visualize new energy and vitality. Visualize yourself waking up to a newfound energy, feeling lighter and more vibrant, an energy not dictated by sugar. You actually wake up refreshed. Now, visualize yourself in a right-sized body. Imagine feeling fit and healthy and at ease with yourself, enjoying a life with less joint pain and inflammation. Imagine those clothes that you want to fit into, those high school jeans, those clothes in your closet that have been calling you forever, that smaller sized body clothes. Imagine, visualize, feel yourself looking in the mirror and actually wearing those clothes, or buying brand new clothes and throwing out everything that you have. See this very clearly at your goal weight. Visualize it on the scale. What is your goal weight? See it clearly on that scale. You are standing there at that weight. Feel how you'll feel. Feel the energy in your body, the lightness. Now, feel the freedom from cravings. Picture a day where you no longer crave sugar or ultra-processed carbs, where your meals are fulfilling, nourishing, and satisfying. You no longer crave any of the old ultra-processed carbs or sugar that you did before. Now, visualize emotional stability and clarity. Envision a clear mind and stable emotions. Focus, follow through. No longer riding the roller coaster of sugar-induced mood swings. Feel this very clearly. Your memory has returned. You're not irritable with your children or your spouse anymore. You're no longer hungover in the morning coming out of a sugar fog. Your mornings are bright and clear, your mind is clear, and your emotions are stable. Feel it in your gut. Feel it in your chest. And more importantly, feel it in your brain. Visualize that beautiful brain of yours working perfectly again. Engage in the activities you love. Visualize engaging in activities that you love with ease and enjoyment, with a body that supports you in all your endeavors. Were you an athlete? Or just walking with joy, enjoying the seasons? See it very clearly. Again, get it in your body. Don't think about it. Yes, you can see it, but feel it. Feel that what you would feel like out on that walk with those fall leaves or those summer warmth. or the winter, and you're just walking and enjoying, feel that feeling. You have to get this in your gut. You have to feel it. Celebrate your freedom, a newfound freedom, no longer chained to the cravings, the guilt, or the physical ailments brought on by sugar. Feel that in your stomach, your entire body free of the cravings that sugar used to bring. Again, let's focus on the breath as we close out this session. Deep breath through your nose on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, and this time take an extra sip of air. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an extra sip of air. Hold it. Hold it. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are deep gratitude breaths, inhaling new possibilities and exhaling any remnants of your old habits. Feel a sense of gratitude for the beautiful life that awaits you. A life of true freedom and happiness. Commit to your new life. Make a silent commitment to yourself to embrace this new life, to nurture and protect this freedom you have visualized. Now, gently open your eyes and carry with you this visualization as you move forward into your day, stepping into this new and beautiful life you have envisioned yourself.